This is finals after glazing. Hi, this is Kahng again. Today is a Friday, beautiful day and sunshine outside, and it's 80 degrees. I love it, Chicago weather. And lately I do so many cases because of the pandemic. I am so happy with the cases, just like cooking show. So whenever doctor send me the 3-unit, whatever difficult cases, I would like share with you. No matter what you are in local, we competing each other, maybe, maybe not. I really don't care, right? So world is bigger than we think. Our client base is about now 43 states nationwide. I got a lot of phone calls from international as well, Switzerland and England and those kind of things, Australia. But anyway, I'd like to share with the 3-unit cases, this case, which is I just make the practical approach to make the 3-unit bridge. This is 8, 9, it's 9, 10, 11, which is the other side. And doctor gave us 2-shade guide with a temporary, which is great. That's what I'm looking for actually. So you can see the colors, color variations. And then I like the good vitality. I see the color over there compared to doctor gave me the other photos with the prep, which is different color, called hydrated, dehydrated. So technician have to do with the hydrations. Then I can analysis with the color, and then I apply with my frame design, which is not much room for facial. Usually we do, right? How can doctor gave me the 5 millimeter the room? It's not possible because God did not make the 10 millimeter thickness. So we are fighting about the 1 millimeter or 5/10 millimeter. If I have a 2 millimeter, then lucky. Sometimes not. But 7/10, 3/10, so then we can utilize about the material selection from the zirconia. They say super whatever, right? It doesn't matter. It's a preparations, and then preparing to zirconia color, and then internal staining or external staining or layering technique. So this video kind of the less than 20 minutes. I know to make the predictive approach just like that, but I video myself is really hard time to do. But next week my crew will be back, so my video will be better. Sorry about that. But this one will going to help you the better idea. Anyway, thank you very much for your subscribe it. And then now it's getting more higher view. And the next video is a full mouth 7-star cases coming up, which is I love it. We make the chrome cover. We show them the full mouth frame design, how we build it, how we design it, how we finish it, how we approach it. Finally, so excited. Thank you very much, and see you next time. All right, 3-unit staining internal technique, trying to create it the good foundation, which is the low value. So using the LC from GC America Spectrum stain, created and the enamel area I just put together was a little bit more because I got almost same facial thickness, so I can do that. And also I'm trying to decrease the value here, frame design, make a little bit more translucency. And then here's this more canine warm color transition before I porcelain layer, just build up. And then basically you're trying to fire this with a porcelain oven. Alright, so this is a 3-unit bridge I'm going to build up soon, but I'm going to fire the first bake. Okay. Alright, so I have to bake. First bakes Just apply a little bit about the dentin, trying to recreate it the other side, which is a little bit more square types. So full build up, but this one has the lack of room for facial. So that one is a build up. Okay, and then the move to lateral, a little bit overlapping compared to other sides. So basically C1, which is the more gray line, gray color. Okay, now let's build up the canine as well. So all three different central, lateral, canine, different color this patient, especially tan. But we can blend it with in between the tooth. Sorry, this is I build up myself, but next week will be better, so my crew will be back. So here is the what I do. Check this with the contour, the lingual contour as well as the lateral slightly out. Let's make just a little bit, not a lot, build up, but the lingual form is very important too for the function, and the facial contour. Alright, so this is the starting basis. You see the lateral just out, so you can make it a little bit out. This is the lobe line angle. Okay, like this. So once you set up the central and then move to the lateral, usually I do is trying to create the contour as close as possible, just like other sides, like this. And then I cut back the facial. Some amount of the enamel. This is now really fat. I'm going grinding anyway. So this is bulk figure from the height of contour to this. This one I have to cut it like this. Okay, I cut it to. Okay, if you need the water, then use the water. Okay, like this. Canine 2. Then after this, so I just more modify with the brush. If I have to, cut it like this. Okay, right. And here too, slightly open. Especially this, I need a more grayish line here. So contour is good. The lateral is this. Then now apply the enamel top of this, and then I can get this better aesthetic. All right. Okay, so after enamel build up, approximately this one is this good size of the central. The lateral slightly overlapping, only in size of 1/3. Not as much as number 7. Okay, so a little protruding like this. And canine has the good shape, so follow canine shape. And then my build-up is done. Alright, so enamel translucency all the way to gingiva. And then I can get a height of contour just like other sides. Okay. And then also I have a good lingual contour like this. So you can make this better shape. Alright. Now the really detail about the decent tools. So whenever I see the decent tools, that's some indentation from the height of contour and inside the one thing. Manual same thing is low production, texture, everything there. Therefore, I'm trying to mimic with that tools as much as possible, such as I see here the vertical indentation, and then here is a vertical, horizontal, vertical indentation, just like on the side. Same as here, lateral, low in, horizontal, and then here is the blanket. This is a really detailed, especially texture with this piece morphology. It's like unique adjacent field, same thing with the one curve, and the horizontal line angle. So you have the horizontal line angle, and on top of that, the vertical line angle too. So, that one is getting really detailed about the texture. Like this. So, here's the lingual down. And vertical, vertical. You can put it over here and the horizontal. And a little bit. Okay. And then right here. Looks like two. Okay, so it's like glazing tool. Drop. Horizontal line. That one is the almost done. Then before we glaze, after that, you see the texture too. So then you can see, just like on the side, remember? Just like on the side, okay? Like that. Like on the side, right? That's why you can get the whole surface texture. Even if you touch up a little bit here and there, just over here, over between this, that texture is great, and then ready to go to the glazing. Alright, so here's this glazing. I don't have to do anything. Just check the color, which is great. So basically C1 basis has a good decent amount of the translucency. In between interproximal, I can make a little bit more thicker. Okay, so better individual looking crown, I can make that. Here's another tips. We can make the decrease on other centrals. I can use decrease with no problem. I give them good amount of the color, which is gray, so I can apply. But I don't have to do it. Things is three good things. Alright, so now this is the staining. I'll show you the after 20 minutes later. Alright, so you can put subtle halo, you can do that. You can do many things. You can do is another is mamelon. I don't see much about it, you see. And you wanted to make more thicker, then you can do that. Was light, and here canine is a little bit more darker, like this. You can do that as well. All right.
This is finals after glazing. You can see the tint of the color in between the tools, and also texture. You can see the color variation from the gingiva margin to all the way incisor, right? So that was the Monet Pure Zirconia bridge with the finish it with a detailed texture. See the incisor, the cusp. Yes. Okay, so here's the lingual. I like the lingual contours between the tools. Okay, so that one is the finals to the uni bridge. Okay, I know we have to make the plastic articulator, but still though I can make some guidance about canine guidance from here. You see, just like other side. Yeah, that one is final. And this one is the previous doctor gave me. Is I can see the color here because the temporary. This is our guidance. Is very important message, because whenever they prep the teeth like this, then you see the dehydration. So just make sure the technician have to use the pre-op, and with the shade matching. That one is key.